Hey everyone, this is Kevin. I'm going to be showing you today how to create a Coinbase account. I'm going to do it from the web browser. You can also do it from your mobile device if you have an Android powered device such as Samsung or any other device, any other platform. You go to the Google Play Store and download the Coinbase app. From an iPhone, you go to the App Store and download the Coinbase app. Be aware there is a Coinbase and a Coinbase wallet. Coinbase is the exchange Coinbase, and Coinbase wallet is, well, it's just that, it's a wallet to hold your coins and tokens. So first step, just go to coinbase.com. Be sure that this is the URL that you wind up at. If you were to go to Yahoo or Google or anywhere like that, and you just type in Coinbase, the first one that pops up is Coinbase.com, but if you look down here, this was the Gemini exchange, and you can just you could wind up somewhere that you don't want to wind up if you're not careful. Most of the links on most exchanges, most websites will take you to the correct exchange, but it's just something to be aware of. Always be aware of the URL that you're navigating to. You can either click get started right here, and then you're just going to put in your name. This stuff does need to be accurate, so don't just try to make something up or put something in here. You got to put all the right information. You have to keep up with this. I'm just going to use one of my dummy email accounts that I don't really use, and I'll make a password for this. You can see right here this little circle that goes around, so you want to get that all the way to green, so just make sure you use a really secure password. Write it down somewhere, keep it in a book somewhere, keep it offline, don't share it with people, don't save it in a folder on your computer where it can be accessed if hackers were to get in. Create that account. I do not recommend saving it into your browser. Once you're there, it's going to send you an email verification. You can see right here, I've already gotten that, so verify that email address. Then it wants you to enter your telephone number. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to enter my phone number. I've already have it entered into my main account. So, okay, so there was no way to get around that. I didn't want to link it to another phone number, but I did, so we're good. So once you put in that phone number, you'll go ahead and type in the 7-digit number that it sends you, and go ahead and get that linked up. Tell it what country you're from. This has to be correct. If you're from the United States, you need to put United States. From another country, put the country that you're from. Be sure to do this correctly because this tells them what laws are applicable to you and how your app will work. So there I am, Joe Schmo. You can see right here, financial regulations require us to verify your identity. So you have to fill out all this information correctly and fill it all out completely until so that you can use the app. Because if you don't fill this out correctly, they're not going to let you use it. Okay, so after you put in that information, this is the very next screen that you will get to. How much crypto do you expect to trade per year? I'm just going to select the amount. What industry do you work in? I'm just going to select something. Well, let me probably put the courageous. Put something in all laws of correct because this thing does not like it if you don't. Alright, so this is the main page. Once you get in, it gives you a bunch of different information. How do you want to fund your account, payment methods, buy your crypto, verify your identification to send and receive crypto. So there's a lot of stuff here. the first thing you'd probably want to do would be to verify your identity, because this is what you see. Level 1, you can invest up to $9,500. That's verify your phone number. That's done. Level 2, you can get unlimited investing. Verify your personal information. That's done. Level 3 is to verify a photo ID, and it tells you it either wants a driver's license or a state issued ID. You just click on driver's license, tell it how you want to send it, and send it along. Do that first, because until you do that, you really need to be completely verified with them to be able to do everything that you want to do. So once you have that done, you need to add a payment method, a way to get money into the app. So you add a payment method. These are the different ways you can do that: bank account, PayPal, debit card, wire transfers, or gift cards. I use bank account because that is the best way. Debit cards, you can only, you see right here, use Visa or MasterCard debit to make investments at a bank or a wallet to sell. So debit cards will take the money and put it into crypto, but unless you have this bank account listed, you can't get your money back out. So you just click on bank account, and it's going to go right on over here. And it uses an app called Plaid. It's very safe, it's very secure. I believe, well, I'm not going to say who made it because I'm not 100% sure, I'm 99% sure, so I'll just leave it at that. They have major banks listed right here. So if your bank is not listed, you can just do a search and you can type in, Nebraska Bank, and it's going to come up with everything that's on our list of that. So find your bank, add your bank, get it in there, and once all that's done, you can put money into the account. I will say this: until your account has had about 3 days, I think, to verify, you're probably not going to be able to do much with the money. So you may actually, if you're in a hurry, if you really want to start investing quick, you may want to do a bank account and a debit card, because debit cards are instant. They take the money, put it right into the crypto account, and at that point you will be able to use your funds and do different things. So assets, this is any assets that you hold, including dollars. My total balance is 0. Once you've done all this at the top, then that won't be there anymore, so you'll just see this down here. The trade section, it tells you, it's a step-by-step guide. The price page is now called the trade page. On this page you can trade crypto, view prices, edit your watch list, and more. So it starts off with Bitcoin start. Anything that you want to know what the price of it is, you just click that star right there and put it up on this main page. And then you can pay people right here. Once your account is verified, you can enable receiving, which that's the driver's license state ID. So once again, nobody can send you anything if your account's not verified. They want to make sure it's you. The other thing that I want to talk about here is, alright y'all, so this is the last segment of this video, and I was going to show you how to link your Coinbase and your Coinbase wallet, but I decided not to. I'll save that for another video. And so here we are on the trade screen. I will show you, so basically if you've already added all your accounts and you've verified your identity and you've put in everything, then you are basically ready to start buying and selling crypto. At least everything that's on the Coinbase exchange. So if you want to buy, just click on buy sell, and it's going to pop up right here, and it's going to ask you to buy, sell, or convert. You're going to put in the commodity that you would like to buy, Ethereum. You will pick your bank account, and you're going to tell it how much you want to buy. Be careful, because this is linked to your bank account, so it's going to try to withdraw it. So you could say, I want to purchase $150 in Ethereum and preview the buy, and it's going to tell you where it's coming from, the current price of Ethereum, the amount that you end up getting, because you got to minus the Coinbase fee, and it accounts for the volatility. And you just click on buy now. It says right here, funds will be debited in 3 days, because this is a bank account that it's pulling it out of. And that's pretty much it. Once you buy, just wait 5 or 10 minutes, because it's going to take that a minute to show up and populate correctly, and you don't want to buy it twice, because I've done that before and it's debited it twice from my account. So just be careful when you get to that. And the same goes for selling. If you have something in here and you want to do sell, you could just pick something that you have. If you had Bitcoin, you could tell what you want to return it to, which in this case would be cash, and you could sell it. And the same goes for converting. If you have one type of token and you want to change it into something else, I have $2.59 of ITX. I could convert all, and it's going to pop up and tell me my preview of what that's worth, what it's going to convert it to, and I'm not going to do that. But anyway, there you go.